What's up, everybody? It's your boy Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So I've been having the robot Lynx made by Alexa for over a month now, and it's time for me to give you guys my follow-up video, some of the features that this robot has, and let me answer some of the questions that I get in the comments about this robot. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Eric again with another video. So I got the Lynx robot here made by Alexa, and I want to answer some of you guys' questions and talk about some of the unique features that this robot has. First of all, one of the biggest questions that I get from a lot of people about this robot is it a kid-friendly robot? The answer to that question is no. This robot is not kid-friendly. As you can see, it's standing up. You cannot move the arms, you cannot move the legs, and you cannot move the head. This robot is not kid-friendly. This is a hobbyist robot. That's one huge thing that you got to understand, that this robot is not a kid robot. It ain't like you go take this robot and just throw it around and think it's going to work after it falls. That's not what this robot is about. Also, the price. That's one of the questions that I always get in the comments. How much do this thing cost? Well, the Lynx robot made by Amazon Alexa costs around $760. Yeah, $760 for this robot. This robot has features. In my last video, I kind of pointed out some of the features. This video, I'm going to talk about some of the features that's very, very good with this robot. Now, some of the controls on here is a little different. Now, you would have to give a command to Alexa to give to Lynx in order for some of the things to work. Let me give you an example. Alexa, ask Lynx to dance. So one of the things that you got to understand when you're doing this, that you have to ask Alexa to tell the robot to do something. See that? So, and as you can see, Alexa controls the robot by voice activation, and as you can see that it is dancing per my request. One of the selling features of having this robot is for the surveillance and also the avatar. That's some of the things I talked about in my older video that I did with this robot, but in this video I'm gonna go into a little more detail about some of the features that you can do with this robot. I have the app here on my phone, and I'm gonna show you guys some of the functionality that this robot can do via app, and you can do this anywhere. You don't have to be at home, you don't have to be under the same Wi-Fi, but as long as you have the app and long as Lynx is connected to your Wi-Fi, then everything that I'm going to show you, you could do this anywhere. So let me switch the camera over and let me show you guys some unique features that this robot can do. All right, so what I got set up right now is I have the Lynx app on my phone, and I want y'all guys to see some of the unique features that this thing can do. As you can see here on the screen, the Lynx have skills, right? So basically what this does is it shows me everything that Lynx have done in the last, couple of days or so. So this is Lynx camera. As you can see, it took a camera of my living room, and as you can see, you can kind of go through some things. Now, these are some of the things that Lynx can do. You could ask Alexa to ask Lynx to dance, take a picture, do all kinds of things like move forward, teach me yoga and stuff like that. And you could view the skills by just tapping on the view skills detail, right? All right. And when I click on album, these are the pictures that I've taken with Lynx using the camera. Now, the camera is a very good high resolution camera, and it takes very good pictures and very good video. The next thing is avatar. All right, so avatar mode is something that I actually use a lot, especially when I'm not here. All right, so I got it on avatar mode right now, and what you can see is exactly what Lynx is seeing, right, in the camera, as I go around here. Now, you can use avatar mode anywhere. All right. So right now, this say if I'm away from my studio and I was somewhere else, I can actually go into avatar mode using my LTE or Wi-Fi away from the studio, and I can control Lynx. Now, and one of the things that I can do here is, as you can see, you have buttons. These are navigation buttons for Lynx. So as I can look up, down, everywhere, this kind of using the navigation buttons, and you can see that Lynx head is turning. All right, Lynx head is turning. All right, and that is nice, right? So these are some of the things that you could do with the robot. You could have his head turn and stuff like that, right? Now, if I want Lynx to move, I could just push forward on the navigation. And as you can tell, he doesn't move that fast, but he does move. And it helps out a lot. This say if you wanted Lynx to move to another location. So yes, you can have Lynx move to another location. Now, again, some of the things that you could do with this here, again, this is where the party fun coming at. You can control some of the things that Lynx can do. As you can see on the screen, you see that you can punch right, punch to the left, you can bow, you can make Lynx bow, and these are the commands that you can do for Lynx. You can do fist bump. All right, and these are all the controls that you could do here. And high five. Let's see if I can do a high five here real quick. All right, so that's a high five. And one of the unique features of having this robot is surveillance mode, which is very, very important to me. This is one of the reasons that you want to get something like this is for surveillance mode. Now, what I can do and what you can do is set this up, this say in your living room or maybe somewhere kind of hidden a little bit. And anytime the robot detects movement, it would take a 30-second video. A 30-second video with a wide camera, 30-second video, and then as soon as it takes that 30-second video, it uploads it to the cloud, and you would get an instant notification on your phone telling you that you have movement wherever the location that you got this as a surveillance. It does not have night mode, so if the lights are not on, if it doesn't have any lighting, it will see everything pretty much dark. So that's one of the things that it does not have. It does not have light mode. Now, as far as battery life is pretty good. I've been getting about half a day. If it just kind of idle, I would get pretty much a half a day. But you can always keep it plugged in, which sometimes I do, and sometimes I don't. So overall, my first month with the Lynx Robot has been fantastic. This is a hobbyist dream to have. And look, some people get scared of the robot, but yes, I wish one of the things that we can do is rename it. But as of right now, it's no kind of feature that you can rename Lynx. Right now, I don't have any issues with it. Battery life has been good. The speakers is okay. It's not as loud as I wanted, but I mean, you're not going to get boom sounding speakers out of this thing. And again, this is not a kid robot. It is a pretty decent robot. You know, for $760, I think it's a very, very good hobbyist robot. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your questions down below. Let me know what you think about the Lynx Robot in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.